Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield Road weekly expansion update. So I'm going to have a little fly around. I'm going to have some closer looks today, so I'm not going to do any comments. I'm going to do some zooming in. Now before I start, little disclaimer. Someone said that they don't like the beeping sound when I'm zooming in. There's nothing I can do about it. I've looked into it, you can't turn it off. The only way I can turn the beeping sound off is if I download some third-party software, which I'm not prepared to do, so it's just a case of putting up with the beeping sounds. So I'll see what's going on the roof here first. Remember, it does a jump and switch between cameras, so let's see what these guys are doing here. So they're doing some of the corrugated roofing. So oh, fair play to them though. Try and keep it as smooth as it can. With being zoomed in so much, camera movements are going to be more noticeable. So where's that going? There we go. Okay, so yeah. So you got the perspex roof and then you got that corrugated stuff to go on top by the looks of it. Okay. Watch them put one piece of this in, then I'll move on to something else. I'm going to try and get a look at these seats because people are asking to look at these seats as well, so I'll get over the ground and try and have a look at these seats if I can. Let's do them a little bit closer. I am quite far away. The dome's pretty much over my head. But yeah, the zoom does a lot for me. And that's how easy it is to put that in. Like a Lego, innit? Yeah, so I'll try and get a look at these seats. Yeah, so I'll zoom out and show you how far away I am. You don't even know the drone's there. It's great. Okay. Someone's asked as well if I've heard any more about Anfield Square. I haven't. So I'll leave Anfield Square for now. Oh, get higher. Pitch is looking immaculate today. Always does on a sunny day. The sun's quite bright today. You can tell by the shadows on the pitch. Let's turn this round. I'm getting a weak signal already, just dropping down that little tiny bit. Well, I'll zoom in here to see if I can see anything. What is that there though? Is that? What is that? Oh, that's the okay. That's where the seats are going to go. That's the framework for the seats, isn't it? Okay. So I'm zoomed in as much as I can here. Okay, so that's where the seats. Okay. So let's zoom out and give it an idea of where. So it's right in the centre of the stands, underneath the crisscross part of the stand, innit? So let's see, yeah. Let's look up. Yes, there's a crisscross one there. See? And it's right under there. So that's, yeah, so we're gonna have a lot of seats in there soon. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. sorry for the messing about. I'll cut this a little bit shorter in post-processing, just so you're not bored of me. Let's go around here. Yeah, bored of me trying to find it. I'll get on this side and have a look down. We'll have a look at the Shankly gates as well. What progress has gone on down there. Just want to get this way around it first. I see, there's quite a lot going on now. Right, so let's zoom in on the gates. You alright, mate? Yeah, I'm good, yeah. You?
Are you doing the...
Yeah, let's have a look at the...
You do it on YouTube, don't you?
Yeah.
I've seen a couple of them.
Yeah. I keep my distance, yeah.
Hey?
I keep my distance away, yeah. That's how far away I am.
They're going to be... Yeah, I'm not bothered.
Yeah.
They're going to be lifting some more glass in from 12 o'clock.
Oh, are you? Yeah. Whereabouts?
Here. Got some in there. Look.
Oh, yeah, brilliant, yeah. Oh, that's great, that.
12
yeah.
o'clock.
Excellent.
This orange screen is going to be lifting it in.
Oh, brilliant, yeah.
Be nice.
Ah, yeah, it will be, mate, yeah. What time is it?
They've got to go for the brew now. They're going for an hour, so... 20 past 11.
Yeah, I'll hang around then, yeah. I'll try and get some footage on my phone as well, because I'll be able to get it from just outside here, won't I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, great. Good info, that, mate. Thank you, yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, can you see them there?
Yeah, I can see it in, yeah.
Yeah, you got the clear ones and you got the ones with the red dots on.
So when did that go in?
This morning.
Oh, did it? Yeah. Oh, brilliant.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're doing it.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
Alright, excellent, mate. Thank you.
Watch for it on YouTube.
Oh, thanks a lot, mate. Cheers, thank you. You know what? It's refreshing, because when we go to Bramley Moor, there's been loads of issues, you know, flying the drones around at Bramley Moor, and they just...
Nobody said it to you, have they?
They've told Everton, and Everton have been in touch with us.
We're not allowed to take photographs on site, but I take photographs on site for my company reporting.
Oh yeah.
But obviously I'm not allowed to share them to anywhere else.
Yeah, that's fair enough, yeah.
It is.
It is. It's you know, it's good to document it. That's what it is.
You're not doing anything nasty, are you?
No, and as I say, I keep my distance as well. You know what I mean. So.
How you do down Everton ground as well, do you?
Yeah, I do Bramley Moor as well. But yes, it's been hard work down there. They're starting to realise that they can't really stop us down there. So they're getting left alone now. But I don't know. Before Christmas was a nightmare with them.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. If you do it within the law, then you're all right.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, mate. Thanks for the info. Right, so let's show you the new glass that's in. Right, I'll get some of this on my phone as well, so I'm going to bring my drone down. I thought, you know what, I thought the guy was going to come over to moan at me for filming, and he went, he's really nice. Let me know what's going on. So yeah, I can see the glass from here now. Right. So that orange crane is the one that's doing all the glass lifting today. Well, let's zoom in. On. That one's where the glass is. So here's the new glass that's gone in today. I'll get some of this on my phone as well. Really nice fella. Yeah. He caught me by surprise. I was too concentrated on talking, and then turned around, just high vid and a helmet behind me. The guy's not a helmet. He's wearing a helmet. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, this crane's going to be doing a lifting of the glass. So I was going to say, I was going to, well, let's smooth this round here. So Shankly Gates, as you know, it had a wall around it, or railings around it, and they've gone now for bollards, and as that's been, I've said previously, it is to reduce any bottlenecking. So the fans can get in and out really easy without having to squeeze through one gate. But the gates have been kept, which is a relief. Okay, so let's get zoom out and let's get a little look at. So I'm going to get me drone in a good position here. I will cut this bit out because I'm going to avoid the trees. Get as low as I can. He said he watches me on YouTube as well, which was nice of him. Okay. Well, I don't know how clear this is showing up on this camera. That's the glass there. I may come back tomorrow and catch some of the glass getting lifted in. But I'll cut away now to my phone and show you what it's like from the ground. So obviously this is where all the work is going on at the moment. What I showed you on the roof, corrugated stuff, that's still happening over there. So let's just zoom back in over there, see if there's any progress. There they are, fitting that there. Not a lot of people on the roof, to be fair. But fair play to these guys working at this height. It's unreal. I should have asked him if he was behind schedule or on schedule. I didn't think. Never mind. Hopefully he'll be back another time. I'll ask the question. Just see what these guys have to do. They're working on them units. But there must be a ton of work to go on up here, because that must be a big operation now. Let's have a look at these guys. Wish I knew what they were saying, so I could relay what they were saying to you, but yeah. Anything else along here? Someone going down the stairs, he's going to reappear down here somewhere, isn't he? Let's have a look. Oh, he's going upstairs, or he's coming back up the stairs maybe. There's one going down, one going up. Seen Fraggle Rock? They look like doozers. Right, I filmed quite a lot here, but with the guy speaking to me, I don't think I've got a lot of camera, but I think there's enough to, you know, to see what everyone's up to on site. Let's just get a couple of ground shots here to see what's going on down here, and then I will call it a day, I think. They've got the harnesses on, so they're obviously going on the roof at some point, or they do come down from the roof, or they come down from the height anyway. I say, as the guy said, it's lunchtime now, well for them. Well, the ones doing the glass anyway. But yeah, guys, I'll leave that there. I'm going to do another one tomorrow. I'm going to come back tomorrow and do another one. I think I'll keep a daily progress on this glass, which is quite interesting at the moment. So I'm going to cut and have a look around the Anfield Road, the main stand side. Sorry, the glass that's in is obviously probably going to replicate this glass. Oh, yeah, I'll tell you what, that glass down there, it's got like red dots in it. I don't know how well it's coming through on camera. You can see the red dots. That glass going in the Anfield Road now is obviously going to replicate that, which is really, really interesting. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. There's quite a lot of footage that I need to edit now. So as always, keep yourself safe, and I will speak to you tomorrow with the glass update. See you soon. Bye now.